Now, with those calls for action, local business owners are preparing for another potential closure, at least the possibility of one. And our Adam Waltz has that part of the story.
This letter has a lot of people on edge. I've actually gotten texts from people across Phoenix who are scared and a little panicked for a potential shutdown starting on Tuesday. And maybe the people with the most to lose are small business owners whose livelihood could be gone in just about a day and a half. Barbershops and gyms missing the first cut of Governor Doug Ducey's long list of essential businesses this spring.
You will never recover financially.
George Zavolanov knows the hardships of a COVID-caused closures. He was forced to close for a month in April.
Even though I was shut down, the bills still came. I still had to pay for rent.
There's just a lot of unknowns.
Newly opened Air Aerial Fitness studio owner Steph Doheny already knows what a shelter-in-place means.
To completely shut down operations we'd take a hit financially, obviously. We would take a hit with our members who may not come back after a shutdown.
Catastrophe is how a future was described in Arizona if nothing is done to slow the spread of the virus. Arizona's COVID-19 modeling team recommending a 3-week shelter-in-place starting Tuesday, something one former health official says we did to ourselves.
What happened over the course of time was that businesses that were following the mitigation measures began to ignore them because they could see their competitors cheating and they could see their competitors not getting into trouble.
Former Director of Public Health Will Humble elaborating on why enforcement of health measures should come from the governor.
You need an executive order to establish the legal authority to revoke a food establishment license for not following the COVID-19 mitigation measures.
For businesses on the non-essential list, a shutdown is out of their control.
Winter is our busiest season, so we barbers, we wait for winter. If we shut down again, we're gonna lose the season.
So will it happen?
Yes or no, do you think we will have a shelter in place for 3 weeks starting on Tuesday?
No.
The shelter in place, which is recommended, is meant to prevent overwhelming of hospitals. And based on the projections from the letter, Arizona could be out of hospital beds completely on Christmas Day. In Phoenix, Adam Waltz, ABC 15 Arizona.